In October 2004 in Marion County, Deputy Sheriff Brandy Lynn Winfield was shot and killed in the line of duty. Meet his widow, Sarah.
My husband, like thousands of other public safety professionals, was willing to risk his own life to protect his fellow Ohioans. Every day, police and firefighters run toward danger just to keep people like you and me safe. Sadly, there are some people trying to remove important fairness protections for public safety forces. Senate Bill 5 is pending in the state capitol. It has the very real potential to undercut safety and strip away fair protections for police and firefighters. Will you help? It won't bring back my husband, but it will send a message to those still serving that we respect and support them.
Call your representative at 800-282-0253. Tell them to protect Ohio Protectors and vote no on Senate Bill 5. Learn more at protectohioprotectors.org.